Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we will be discussing a broad-spectrum antibiotic, which means it is used for wide range of bacterial infection. But be noted that this antibiotic should be strictly used under the supervision of doctor. The antibiotic which we are talking about is Augmentin. Augmentin is a prescription medicine used to treat the symptoms of many different infections caused by bacteria. We will discuss all about Augmentin in detail. But before that, do like and subscribe the channel. Augmentin tablet and suspension contains active ingredient, amoxicillin, and clavulanic acid. The strength of active ingredient varies according to dosage. For example, if you are using Augmentin 625 mg of tablet, then it contains amoxicillin 500 mg in it, and clavulanic acid 125 mg respectively. Now, let's see the condition in which Augmentin can be used. Upper respiratory tract infections, including ENT, for example, tonsillitis, sinusitis, otitis media. Lower respiratory tract infections, for example, acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis, bronchopneumonia. Urinary tract infections. Skin and soft tissue infections, for example, boils, abscesses, wound infections. Bone and joint infections, and dental infections. Now let's see dose for Augmentin suspension and tablet. For children above 2 months and below 2 years, Augmentin dose is as follows. The dose which we are showing here is calculated on lowest dose, which is 25 mg per kilogram per day. But doctor can advise you high dose, according to severity of infection. If the body weight of baby is 2 kg, then dose for Augmentin 228 suspension is 0.6 ml 2 times daily. Or if you are using 457 mg suspension, then dose is 0.3 ml 2 times daily. Similarly, the dose from 2 to 15 kg of child is given in the table, which you can use accordingly to the weight of the baby. But always remember to use the medicine under supervision of doctor. For children 2 years and above, the dose is as follows. For 2 to 6 years, dose for Augmentin 228 suspension is 5 ml twice daily. Or if you are using 457 mg suspension, then dose is 2.5 ml twice daily. For 7 to 12 years, dose for Augmentin 228 mg suspension is 10 ml twice daily. Or 5 ml twice daily, if using Augmentin 457 suspension. For adults and children above 12 years, the dose is as follows. For mild to moderate infections, use 1 Augmentin 625 mg tablet twice daily. For severe infections, use 1 Augmentin 1 gram tablet twice daily. Remember, dose can increase according to the condition of infection. Now let's see how to make Augmentin suspension. First shake bottle to loosen powder, and then add water up to the mark given in the bottle. Shake well, and allow it to stand for 5 minutes to ensure powder is fully dispersed. If you do not find the mark, you can make Augmentin suspension as follows. For reconstitution to 100 ml, add 90 ml water. Invert bottle and shake well, until all the powder is dispersed. For reconstitution to 70 ml, first shake bottle to loosen powder. Add 62 milliliters water, invert bottle and shake well, until all the powder is dispersed. For reconstitution to 35 milliliters bottle, first shake bottle to loosen powder, add 31 milliliters water, invert bottle and shake well, until all the powder is dispersed. Now let's see different dosage form of Augmentin, which are available in the market. For adults and children above 12 years, tablets comes in 375, 625 milligrams, and 1 gram. Depending upon patient need, doctor will prescribe. For children, suspension comes in different strengths, which are 156, 228, 312, and 457 milligrams per 5 milliliters. Now let's see special instruction and side effects related to use of Augmentin medicine. Augmentin may cause antibiotic-associated diarrhea. If this happens, you can use probiotic along with this antibiotic to stop this condition. To minimize potential gastrointestinal disturbance, administer Augmentin at the start of a meal. The absorption of Augmentin is optimized when taken at the start of a meal. Treatment should not be extended beyond 14 days without review. Augmentin suspension should not be used below 2 months age. If you have an allergy to amoxicillin, clavulanate potassium, any penicillin, or any other part of Augmentin, do not use this. Once the bottle is open, keep it in the fridge, and do not use after 10 days from opening. In pregnancy and breastfeeding, always consult the doctor before use. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.